Did your vehicle suddenly refuse to start this morning? Or is your automatic transmission shifting so harshly that it shakes the whole car? You could be dealing with a major electrical overload in your main computer system that is setting off a P06B2 trouble code. This diagnostic trouble code means sensor power supply a circuit high. It is a standard code that applies to almost all onboard diagnostics 2 equipped vehicles on American roads built from 1996 to the present day. Modern vehicles are packed with dozens of electronic sensors that monitor everything from your exhaust gas to your four-wheel drive transfer case. The powertrain control module supplies a very specific amount of reference voltage to these sensors to power them up, usually exactly 5 volts or sometimes full 12-volt battery voltage. When the main computer detects that the voltage going out on the specific power supply circuit labeled A is way too high and exceeding its maximum safe limits, it triggers this code to prevent frying your delicate electronics. Because this single power circuit can feed multiple critical systems, the symptoms can be wildly unpredictable and very severe. You might experience a complete engine no-start condition, terrible engine hesitation or stumbling when you try to accelerate, or massively diminished fuel efficiency. If the circuit powers the transmission sensors, you will likely feel highly erratic and violent gear shifts, or your all-wheel drive transfer case might just stop working entirely. The root cause for this dangerous voltage spike is usually a short to battery voltage somewhere in the wiring harness, where a bare wire is touching a hot power line. It can also be caused by a completely blown fuse, a defective engine or transmission sensor that has shorted out internally, broken ground wires, or a major failure inside the powertrain control module itself. Fixing this issue at home is incredibly challenging without professional tools. You can start by checking the power and ground locations using a reliable vehicle repair guide. Visually inspect all the main wiring harnesses under the hood for any melted plastic, cut wires, or obvious signs of collision damage. You should also check all your fuses and relays with a digital volt-ohm meter, making sure to test them while the circuit is under a load. However, because this code often points to a completely fried engine computer or a deeply hidden electrical short, you really should take your vehicle to a certified diagnostic mechanic. Finding a short to power requires meticulously probing dozens of sensitive wires. Furthermore, if your powertrain control module needs to be replaced, the new unit must be professionally programmed and calibrated to your specific vehicle using expensive dealership software. Letting a pro handle this will save you from accidentally destroying even more expensive computer modules.